Sheet metal fabrication class, and today we're going to be doing some T-joints to the principals. I'm Mr. D, welding instructor here at DACC. Glad to have the principals here for Welding Olympics. Today it looks like we got Deputy Elverson, Mr. Tresley, Mr. Weaver, and Mr. Herzog. If you ask me which one's going to win, I want to put my money on Weaver. I think Weaver's going to win because he's been in here. I've seen him lay some beads. He has a pretty farming background, so usually the hands-on farming people usually have pretty good shots.
Hi guys, Mr. Weaver here. We are here for our welding challenge, and win or lose, hopefully I can win, but we'll see. Just want to keep all my fingers today.
Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Tresley. I am the Career Tech Supervisor here at DACC. I have 0 experience in welding, so I don't have high hopes for my placement in today's competition.
Hey guys, it's Deputy Elverson here, School Resource Officer here at the Delaware Career Center, and I'm fogging up. The reason I'm going to win today is because I know a thing or two about welding. These other guys, they don't. Watch out.
Hi everyone, this is Mike Herzog. I'm one of the assistant principals here. Just wanted to say that I think I'm going to win today because I've got a pretty steady hand. I paint a lot, and plus I got this little splint on my wrist to help keep my hand even more steady. So it's on.
This is TIG Welding, so it's the cleanest process. We have to clean all of our metal and make sure it's all real clean. We wipe it down with acetone to make sure that there's no contaminants in the metal. And right here we have our filler wire, which is going to actually fill in the base metal. And then we have our torch, which applies the heat, and that's actually what your electricity runs through. And we have our ground, making sure that it can be a complete circuit.
And there's no spark, so you can get as close as you can. As close as you can without touching it. Yep. If you touch it, no good. So it's kind of like a car gas pedal. The more you go on it, the more heat you get. The more you let off of it, the less heat you get. It's pretty hard, plus there's no spark, so that way we're not burning up the gas to get spark. It's kind of mean of us to do it, but that's why we do it. 675.
So basically what you did was you had it touched down like you barely had it going at all. Right now, if you were to put that in between and try to break it, it would just fall apart. Right. I mean, the only thing that's holding it up are the 2 tacks on the side. I mean, Hers has a little bit more metal in it compared to Buck. I would have to say probably a 1 out of 10.
That's pretty good. That's a good effort. Good job, Elverson.
Okay, so Mr. Herzog was the winner of the very competitive group that we had. So it started out with Mr. Weaver. He had no metal come in, and then we had Mr. Tresley. He had 2 more BBs. Deputy Elverson had some more, and Mr. Herzog had the most of them all. And this is the bead that I laid. So that's what it's supposed to look like. Congratulations, Mr. Herzog. Hope to have you again.